superb babies, welcome back to my channel. Princess Priyanka loves food and Mac, and today's video is going to be a review and a demo on Blue Marilyn Star Original Lipsticks. Before I start with the review, let me just tell you babies that this is a gift from one of you babies, Kriti Raj Arora. She gifted me 3 of them, which I'll be sharing with you, and I'm like super excited because these are like, wait for the review. First go and see the swatches and then I will review it. About these lipsticks about 2 or 3 years back when she was raving about this so much, but I have not seen this brand anywhere in Mumbai, to be super frank, so I didn't pay much heed to that Kriti, that to get a hold on this and everything, because I was quite a bit happy with in color, so I didn't go into so much of hunt for this. Then recently she sent me these 3 shades and it was nothing like it. Thank you so much Kriti for sending me these lovely shades. As for the colors, they're really bright and really beautiful, highly pigmented also. As you've seen the swatches, it is really pigmented. This is just priced at 150 Indian rupees. That's what Kriti told me. On my lips, it stayed about 4 to 5 hours. To be precise, the lighter shades stayed more longer on my lips. The darker shades started creasing a little bit after some time between my lip lines and everything. But what happens is just like after a minute, it goes completely dry, completely matte. I'm a complete matte lover, so I really like this. As for the packaging, it is very simple. It's metallic blue with golden color as the writing and print on it. It is nothing exclusive, it's nothing bad too. It's simple. For 150 bucks, you can't have any high hopes. So it's very good for 150. What's written on this? They've given some instructions. After application, leave 2 minutes before touching. Yes, after the 2 minutes, it's completely dry. Expiry date is also given, and when it's manufactured also it's given. It manufactured in 2012 and it expires in 2019. And there's a warning to stop use if skin irritation appears. For the budget, I really like it. It's budget friendly. It's travel friendly too for this such a small baby. It's really nice. As for the availability, I have no idea because it was a gift, as I already told you, but I came to know it's available online too. I will check it out, and if I come across it, I will put it in the description box. So don't forget to check the description box where you can get it, and any of you know where you can get it online, please comment below because many will want to know and it will help them. What is your feedbacks of these lipsticks? Do you like it? You don't like it? Please let me know because I've got many mixed reviews about these lipsticks. Initially when I wore it, it cracked all on my lips and I didn't like it. Maybe my lips was too dry that time, but later I started liking it after I kept my lips well hydrated. So it had a lot of mixed feelings initially, but then now I really like it. The only key to look beautiful in these lipsticks is to have a well hydrated lips. That's what I learned. Do you want me to review any other brand of lipsticks? Please comment below and let me know. I will do that very soon. For the price, I really like them because you don't get such good lipsticks except in color at this price. If you know any other lipstick, comment below. At 150 in color is my favorite. I have videos on that too. And now next is this one. It's supposed to be transfer proof. So yes, I'm going to do live testing for you guys. A nice hardcore kiss, okay, and you can see A little has come, it's not even visible. Do you want me to do like one? What happens is when it comes out, it does not come out completely. It comes out in like powder form, like small powder forms, which is a little irritating. So you can just quickly touch it up. And otherwise it's fine, like I've done other proof test. Do you want me to do? I've got a cup here. Let's see if it comes on this. Very lightly. Very lightly. So it is really nice for this price. I would recommend this. I've got 3 of them and another baby is going to send me few more. So I'm really excited for that too. I really like these lipsticks because it's long lasting, it's highly pigmented and it has really beautiful colors. If you recommend me any other shades which I should try from this brand, comment below and let me know. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit a like. It makes my day, like seriously, I'm like so happy if I see comments and likes. Comment below and let me know which shade did you like. Have you heard of this brand? Have you used any of them? If you like it or you don't like, please leave your comments below. It will be very helpful for me also, for others also who's reading all my comments and wanting to know more about the lipsticks. It will really help. All my social media links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check me out there. And yes, see ya later in another video very soon. Bye bye.